Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome as always. As you guys can see by the title, today I'll be showing you guys how I made this vegan macaroni salad with tofu. And if you want to know how I made it, keep on watching. So the ingredients to this dish goes as follows. I just have this butternut squash that is shaped kind of like the macaroni, cherry tomatoes that are whole, my organic tofu that is extra firm, and one large bell pepper. And over here I also have some garlic and red onion, and I've proceeded to take all the ingredients out of the packaging, such as the tomatoes and the butternut squash. I have chopped up my green pepper, and I just have my firm tofu and I left it just like it is, and of course the macaroni. So while my macaroni noodles are boiling in a large pot of water, over here on the side, I just have a medium skillet over just some medium heat, and I'm gonna just stir up some cherry tomatoes, the red onion, the green pepper, and of course the garlic. Just those ingredients with just a drizzle of olive oil. And I didn't season it just yet because I'm going to be placing the tofu, the extra firm tofu, right in the center. So I'm going to make a sort of just some space in the center of the pan for the tofu, and I didn't break it up, as you guys can see. I didn't cut it up or anything. I'm just going to place it just as it is. So I've just let everything just sit just like it is on the pan for some time now, and as you can see the tofu has browned, and so after both sides are brown, so I just want to flip them over, make sure that your tofu is not burning, but after both sides have browned, I am just going to break it up slowly and just make sure that everything is broken up, and just like it is, I'm going to season it with just a spoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Just want to keep it simple. So after I just seasoned everything, I just want to make sure that I'm mixing everything well. So for the next few minutes, I'm going to take some time to just mix everything up. After I've mixed up all the vegetables and the seasoning, the last thing to do is incorporate the macaroni noodles. So I'm just putting all the noodles in here, which is the final thing. And again, I'm just going to mix it up one last time before I serve. So I want to quickly mention that you would normally make this dish with some sort of cheese in the center like feta, but since this is a vegan alternative, I just use tofu instead. Now you can definitely use vegan cheeses, that would actually melt beautifully in this dish, and if you want to use more seasoning, then you can definitely amp up the spice as well, but I just chose to make it like this, and I just wanted to mention that. You guys can see we're finally done, and this was just a very simple and quick and easy dish to make. It literally took me no more than 10 to 20 minutes to make, and I really hope you guys recreate it. And at the end, I just have garnished it with a little bit of parsley and some fresh tomato slices, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for next week because I will see you guys then. Ciao!